Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Iris KashFlow account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Stripe account to your Iris KashFlow account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Stripe account to KashFlow anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sending out invoices and having them paid automatically from your customer and making the credit card option available can speed up the payment process. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your KashFlow dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my KashFlow account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Stripe account to KashFlow, you're going to click on your initials here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down and you want to click here onto account settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different options, but in order to link your Stripe account, you're going to scroll down until you see this section, receiving payments. It looks like a little credit card icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the different payment options, but today we're going to link our Stripe account. So we're going to click on the Stripe logo right here. Okay, once you click there, you need to go ahead and adjust the settings. And here you can go ahead and set Stripe as your default payment provider if you wish to do so. Next, you want to click here, connect to Stripe. Okay, once you do that, Stripe's going to open up a login screen. So you want to go ahead and enter in the email address associated with your Stripe account and then click on submit. Okay, next Stripe's asking me to go ahead and enter in my password to my Stripe account. So I'm going to enter that in and then click on submit. Okay, next, if you have your company information with Stripe, they're going to ask you to go ahead and choose which profile you want to use. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, next Stripe's asking more information about what I do inside of my company. They're also asking for my company website. So I'm going to enter this information in and then click on continue. Okay, next Stripe's going to show you your business information like your address, your phone number. So just kind of scroll through that and make sure everything's correct. If it is, go ahead and click on this purple agree and submit button. Okay, a quick second later, my KashFlow account refreshes and then it shows this. Great, we are now connected to your Stripe account. So now you can go ahead and configure it so that way your customers can go ahead and pay the invoices directly in the invoice with their credit card, or you can do what I do and configure it for me, which is this pink button right here. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see right here, Stripe. It is my default method, as you can see right here. So now my customers can go ahead and receive an invoice from me and they can just click in through the invoice and pay with their credit card using my Stripe account. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Stripe account to your KashFlow invoicing, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.